Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to set path of our Java setup in Windows operating system 8 or 8.1. For this, first of all, we have to install Java in our system, and after installing Java, go to my computer, C drive, find program files. In my case I installed Java 64-bit, so I am going to program files simple. After that, find Java folder here, Java, and go to JDK directory with particular version and go to bin directory. In bin directory, just select full path from C program file Java JDK and bin directory. Right click, copy it, and now go to this PC or my computer and go to property. Right click on this PC and go to property. And in property, there is left side an option is advanced system setting. Click on it, and now in this advanced tab, there is an environment variable at the bottom. In environment variable, there are two types of variable, user variable and system variable. We have to set path for system variable and select the path variable here and click on edit button. In edit button, there is a variable values. We have to now paste that full address in the last of this variable value. For this, put semicolon and then paste that address and again put semicolon in the last. And after that, click on OK button and again OK button and finally OK button. That's it. In this way we have set path for Java so that we can make any Java program anywhere in our system hard drive and we can execute that program from that location. Now I'm going to check the system variable is properly set or not. And go to notepad, write some code here. For example, class test Java brackets, after that public static void main brackets and curly brackets here. In main we have string argument and now system out print ln system dot out dot print ln for new line character and semicolon with string literal like hello study viral. Save this file. I'm going to save this file. Click on file, save as, and okay, let me make a directory on desktop, new folder, Java. Okay, now name of the class test Java, which is similar to the name of the file, test Java dot with extension Java. Save as all files and now click on save. I am going to compile it. For this, start cmd. Okay, now I have to type for directory particular cd means change directory for desktop. Sorry for desktop. After that cd Java folder. Now here is Java compiler Java C and class a source file name. Okay, compiled successfully. Now Java executable command with only class name without its class extension. Okay, that's it. Now we see I compiled this program successfully. Now thank you for watching and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.